Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Thank you for joining us for this session on our approach to government and national security partnerships. When public sector bodies and defense partners integrate artificial intelligence, the stakes are fundamentally different. Commercial operational failures cost money, but national security failures compromise sovereign integrity and public trust. That distinction defines how we approach every partnership across government and defense projects. We start from the reality that risking government AI is never just about model accuracy or data drift. It is about chain of accountability, decision lineage, and keeping human oversight real rather than theoretical. In defense and security, automated systems must adhere to strict UK legal standards, international law, and civil liberties. Our role is to bridge the gap between high-level ethical frameworks and day-to-day engineering workflows. We build governance structures that allow civil servants and security teams to innovate rapidly without stepping outside regulatory boundaries. Every tool or model deployed must come with absolute auditability from the very first line of code. That means logging not just what data went into a model, but why a specific output was generated and who signed off on it. When external vendors bring third-party AI into public departments, hidden vulnerabilities can slip through unnoticed. We mandate comprehensive supply chain audits for every algorithm, dataset, and infrastructure layer. This ensures that proprietary tools used in sensitive environments do not leak classified operational data. It also guarantees that systems remain resilient against adversarial attacks and model poisoning attempts. Transparency in public sector AI does not mean publishing confidential algorithms to the open world. It means creating trusted, isolated evaluation environments where cleared experts can verify safety and compliance. We align all risk assessments directly with established frameworks like ISO for 2001 and the UK Government Cybersecurity Strategy. This practical alignment gives departmental leadership the concrete evidence they need to grant authority to operate. Governance should never act as a bureaucratic bottleneck that stalls critical defense initiatives. Instead, it must function like the brakes on a high-performance vehicle, enabling teams to move faster with total control. We work directly alongside product leaders and security architects inside secure development environments. By embedding compliance directly into development pipelines, safety checks happen automatically in real time. If an algorithm shows unexpected bias or variance in sensitive scenarios, the pipeline stops immediately. This prevents unverified models from ever reaching live operational networks or critical public infrastructure. Data sovereignty is another core pillar of our national security partnership strategy. All sensitive data used for training or fine-tuning must remain securely hosted within UK sovereign cloud boundaries. We enforce zero-trust access control so that no unauthorized entity can manipulate or extract sensitive intelligence. Human oversight must remain meaningful, especially when AI tools assist with critical decision-making processes. We design decision interfaces that highlight model uncertainty rather than masking it behind a single confidence score. This gives military operators and public policy officials the context needed to make informed, defensible choices. We also establish continuous post-deployment monitoring to catch performance decay before it creates operational risks. Public sector AI environments change rapidly, and models that were safe 6 months ago can become unreliable today. Our continuous assurance approach tracks system health, output fairness, and security postures every single day. When policy or threat landscapes shift, our frameworks allow rapid policy updates without re-engineering underlying systems. We believe the UK can set the global gold standard for responsible AI in government and defense. Achieving that goal requires absolute rigor, technical depth, and zero compromise on national security values. By combining strict auditability with practical engineering support, we turn ethical AI into a strategic advantage. Government agencies can protect citizens, safeguard national interests, and adopt cutting-edge technology with complete confidence. This is how we build long-term trust in public sector artificial intelligence across the United Kingdom. Ultimately, our approach to government and national security partnerships matters only when it changes practice. Decide who is accountable, test the controls, and preserve the evidence before the issue becomes urgent. Thanks for watching. We hope this session on our approach to government and national security partnerships was useful. See you in the next one. Follow Zen AI Governance for more practical guidance.